Inflation is a silent thief stealing from your savings, and you might not even know it's happening. Imagine leaving $100 in a jar untouched for 25 years. Now, how much could that same amount buy? Inflation has averaged around 3% per year since the 1970s. At this rate, your $100 would only be worth about $50 in today's dollars. So why does a little bit of inflation matter so much? Think of it like water in a leaky boat. Slow drips can sink the ship. A common misconception is that low inflation isn't harmful. However, even 1% yearly erosion adds up over decades. Let's break it down. $10,000 left alone at a 2% annual inflation rate is worth about $7,400 after 15 years. This is why it's crucial to invest in assets that grow faster than the average inflation rate to preserve your wealth. Remember, this video provides general educational content about personal finance and is not personalized financial advice. Stay informed with money mechanics, subscribe to decode how money really works, and take control of your finances.